Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. Today I'm going to be using my Wet n Wild Megaliner in Voltage Blue, so if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. Alright, let's get this started. I wanted to kind of incorporate the blue eyeliner. I thought that'd be really fun, especially now that it's spring. And so let's see how the blue eyeliner works. I've never actually used it. So, we're gonna see. So, I did the rest of my face already. Now I'm going to be putting on some NYX Full Coverage Concealer on my eyelids. And the palette that I'm going to be using, I want to do kind of like a neutral look, just because I want the blue eyeliner to stand out and I don't want there to be too many colors plus the blue eyeliner. So, NYX Full Coverage Concealer, and the palette I'm going to be using is my Naked 2 by Urban Decay, and I'm just going to go in with this lightest shade right here, and it's called Foxy. And I'm just going to use just a blending brush and just kind of set that concealer. Okay, so I'm going to be using the brush I got from my Ipsy bag, the Luxie 249 brush. And I'm going to be going in with this bigger end. And I'm going to take Tease, which is this shade right here. And I'm going to use that as my transition. And kind of just focus this all over the lid and in the crease. So how excited is everyone that it's spring? In Houston, we don't really have to deal with cold, except for this year, we had snow in Houston. It hadn't snowed since like 2009 or something crazy. So that was so awesome. We got to see snow, and it actually stuck. So it was there for like the morning, and then even coming back in the afternoon in a couple of days, it was still on the rooftops, which was super cool because Houston, we don't see snow. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with, let's see, I'm going to go in with Snakebite, and this might actually be my last shadow because there's only kind of one lighter shadow, which is Tease. So I'm going to go in with Snakebite and focus this more on the outer corner and crease. I might do one more layer of the Snakebite. So the Snakebite, this shade that I'm using right now, does have a little bit of shimmer. I can see it in the mirror as I'm blending it all in. But it's not noticeable, like y'all wouldn't be able to see it or anything. Okay, so I have my eyes the way I want them. And now I'm just going to take Tease one more time. This one right here, my transition, and just kind of blend everything all out. Okay, and now I'm going to take the flatter side of the brush and go in with Booty Call, which is this light shade right here, and just put that as all over the lid. Okay, so I have my eyeshadow the way that I want it. Now let's play around with the blue eyeliner. So the eyeliner I'm using is the Wet n Wild Megaliner, and this is in the shade Voltage Blue Blue Tension. This one right here. Okay, so let's play around with it. Such a pretty color. Okay, so this is what the brush looks like, and this is what it looks like swatched. It's not like a baby blue, kind of like a royal, like pastel blue. So pretty. Okay, let's put this on the eyes and see what it does. I always use my pinky finger to set right here, that way it stabilizes when I do my wings. I'm trying to not get so close to my mirror. So that way y'all can see. That's really pretty. I've never played around with a colored eyeliner before. So I was a little nervous to play around with the blue eyeliner just because I have green eyes, but it's really pretty. It's different. I like it. I like it a lot. So I'm going to go in with my Falsies Push Up Angel Mascara by Maybelline, which I just recently got at Walmart. So if you haven't seen that video, go watch that video. I'm really liking this mascara. This mascara really does what it says it's going to do. It pushes up your lashes. It gives you really good volume. So I like to have long lashes. So I'm going to do one more coat of my mascara, and then I'm going to zoom you guys in so y'all can see how the eyeliner looks on the eyes a little bit closer. I still can't get over this mascara. Okay, so mascara is on, look is complete. I'm going to zoom you in just so you can see the eyeliner up close. This is real close and personal, but do you guys see this? This is so pretty. And my lashes, like, volume. So that completes this look for today using my Wet n Wild Megaliner blue eyeliner. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Bye guys. Is in my bag video because I like seeing what's in people's bags, so I don't know.